Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be drawing and coloring the numbers 1, 2, and 3. It's going to be so much fun. Make sure to stay with me until the end to see how cool it turns out. And don't forget to subscribe, give a big like, and tap the bell so you won't miss any of our fun videos here on the channel. Let's get started! Hey kids! Did you know? Number 1 is an odd number. That means it can't be split into 2 equal parts. But number 2 is even, so you can share it evenly. And guess what? Number 3 goes back to being odd again. Isn't that fun? Let's keep going and see how all the numbers play together. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you'll be the first to see our next fun video. Wow, kids! What do you think so far? I think it's starting to look really cool. And guess what? Once we start coloring, it's gonna get even better. I can't wait. Are you excited too? Let's keep going. Okay, kids, it's time to color. Let me see. What color do you think fits this best? Let's find the perfect one together. All right. Let's color number 1 with a bright yellow. It's going to look so sunny and cheerful. Perfect for starting our numbers. Let's go. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you'll be the first to see our next fun video. Awesome! Now let's color number 2 with a lovely sky blue. It's gonna look so soft and cool, just like a beautiful sky. Keep going, little artist! Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you'll be the first to see our next fun video. Now let's color number 3 with a bright red. It's gonna pop out so nicely and make the whole drawing super fun. Keep it up. You're doing amazing. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you'll be the first to see our next fun video. Now let's outline our drawing with a black marker. It makes everything pop and look super cool. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you'll be the first to see our next fun video. Wow, kids! Our drawing is all done. It looks amazing, right? Now it's time to say goodbye. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, and ring the bell so you never miss a fun video. And guess what? We made a super cute strawberry video too. Go check it out. Bye-bye, my little artists.